starting at Page Field in Fort Myers, Florida. A lot of choices to pick from. Once on board, I noticed along with the beautiful interior, the weekend was getting started.
Cheers. Wait, you need yours.
We settled in, and I was amazed at the sound of the engine in the Pilatus 12. So thankful for the opportunity to experience this amazing journey with great friends. What an exhilarating experience being up front. What an awesome view. Subscribe. Such a beautiful aircraft. Key West in our sights. Subscribe. Subscribe. Such incredible technology. Almost there. Lining up the runway. Beautiful clear water. Touchdown. Key West. Subscribe. Our accommodations. Viking yacht. You don't get much better than this. So much appreciation for this once-in-a-lifetime experience. What an awesome day. This boat moves like a rocket. Some fishing fun. Model shoot. Love her. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more content.